Economic indicators. Economic news and political events from all over the world have strong effects on financial markets, with US data releases generally have the most effect. By understanding these announcements and their impacts on the market, you'll be able to make more informed trading decisions. Interest rates. Interest rates are typically noted on an annual basis, known as the annual percentage rate. Historically higher interest rates tend to increase the demand of a currency, therefore increasing its value. However, at the same time possibly having a negative impact on its stock market. List of major economic indicators. Non-farm payroll. Generally released on the first Friday of the month, this figure is the monthly number of jobs created or lost in the non-farming sector. This is regarded as the most important economic statistic, and a wildly different figure from what that is expected can cause financial markets to move very quickly. Trade balance. The trade balance released by the National Statistics is a balance between exports and imports of goods. A positive value shows trade surplus, whilst a negative value shows trade deficit. It is an event that generates some volatility for the currency. Producer Price Index. The Producer Price Index released by the National Bureau of Statistics is a measurement of the rate of inflation experienced by producers. It captures the average changes in prices received by a country's domestic producers of goods in all stages of processing. A high reading is seen as a positive or bullish for the currency, whereas a low reading is seen as negative or bearish for the currency. Gross domestic product. Gross domestic product is the total value of all goods and services produced within a country.